Lifeguard Lieutenant John Sandmeyer, John Sandmeyer.
Thanks, Lieutenant. And
Yeah.
tell us what you got called out here for this evening.
Yeah, this evening, I'll turn this off for you. This evening, just not long ago, so it was very dark, we did get a call of a person that was near the end of the jetty here at South Mission Beach that was calling for help, and he was actually under the rocks at one point. So some of the folks that were out there on the end, they assisted him out of the hole that he was in, and at that point he had some related medical issues, and we were trying to determine if there were any more people out there that were in the water or also injured.
He was swimming, or he was like walking through the rocks?
He was walking through the rocks, and somehow he became stuck in between the rocks, and he was down low, so he wasn't obvious to be found, but two people that were out there close to him heard the yelling and were able to get to him. He was never in the water from what we could determine. However, he did think that he had some friends that might have been in the water. We think that his friends came in separately from him, but he couldn't tell at that point. And the real challenge was to get out there, locate his position, and then really figure out what the extent of his injuries were, and were there other people that might have been also stuck or in the water.
How many units were to call for this?
We had a fire unit, lifeguards, and then we used the fire helicopter, Copter 2, to extricate him up and out. So when the units got out there and the crews put him in a litter or a stretcher, they were able to determine that he wasn't going to be able to walk, but with the helicopter out there searching, we were able to put the medic down from the helicopter, attach him to the line, and haul him up to the helicopter, where he was brought to the medics on the shoreline.
Do you happen to know the extent or idea of what kind of injuries he sustained?
We think he might have injured his neck and head. Again, when the the citizens that were out there, they said they found him head first into the hole and his legs were sticking out. So he said that his head was up against a rock, and we are treating him for a possible neck and shoulder and head injuries.
And about how long did this rescue take?
The rescue went pretty quick. Once we were able to find his location, it was within 20 minutes. Overall, the whole thing probably lasted 45-50 minutes. But again, we did have a boat out there searching the water area and really trying to corroborate the story that he had, that he thought there might have been other people out there or in the water. We were quickly able to determine by searching the area with infrared and the FLIR camera on the helicopter, as well as the boats out there, there was nobody in the area. The other citizens that were out there said they never saw anybody in the water, but that a couple people were coming in on the rocks. So we feel pretty strong that there is nobody else out in the water or out on the jetty.